Hello, welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos. Wafana kayo sanunkudazuwa maraba maraba maraba. Today we're making palm nut soup. Yo damui mi kwakwa. And as usual, the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box below. I have my homemade smoked mackerel, and I'll have a video coming up soon on that. I have smoked catfish straight from Ghana. I have some goat meat and some cow foot. I have snails. I have the palm nut paste here. I have fresh tomatoes, bay leaves, about 2 inches of ginger, some pepper to taste, 6 cloves of garlic, and 2 medium-sized onions. First, I'll wash the meat and then blend the spices. I added some anise seeds. Blend the spices with some pepper and onions and steam the meat with. This process we call steaming in Ghana because we don't add that much water. You add it and boil the meat. I'm adding salt to taste. And then I scoop up the palm nut paste and mix it with hot water. It's easier to mix it that way because of the palm oil in there. The weather is cold, so it looks a little bit frozen, but the hot water helps mix it easily. Then for after steaming the meat for 15 minutes, I now add the mixture of the palm nut paste. I just add it slowly to make sure I don't add the residue in the bottom. The residue is from the kernel of the palm nut fruit. So you see the black stuff underneath is just from the kernel of the palm nut. So make sure I don't get it in the soup. I add my blended tomatoes. Add the juice from the snail. In Ghana, when you buy the snail, they clean it for you and separate the juice from the snail itself. And then I added my smoked catfish. And there is my smoked salmon. No, smoked mackerel. I'm so used to calling it salmon. That's how we call it in Ghana. So the link for that will be in the description box, how I smoked my mackerel. And I added some Prekese. Those are the snails. Thank you, Ababa, for sending me these snails. And I'm sure his wife went to the market to get it. Now I'm adding some fresh peppers. And the peppers, I just added so those who want their soup even spicier can just break it into their soup individually. Now serving the soup with fufu. And this was destroyed in no time. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll put the benefits of the Prekese, the black thing on top. I'll put the benefits of it in the description box. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.